Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious fried rice egg at home. First, ensure your rice is cold and day-old. This prevents stickiness and ensures a great texture. Have all your ingredients prepped and ready to go, including finely chopped vegetables and well-whisked eggs. This mise-en place makes cooking smooth and efficient. Next, we'll cook the eggs and aromatics. Heat a wok or large skillet with 1 tablespoon of oil over medium-high heat. Quickly scramble your whisked eggs until just set, then remove them. Add a bit more oil, then sauté minced garlic and ginger until fragrant, about 30 seconds. Now, add your other vegetables and cook them until they are tender crisp. Now it's time to bring it all together. Add your cold, day-old rice to the hot pan, breaking up any clumps with your spatula. Stir-fry vigorously for about 3 to 5 minutes, ensuring each grain gets heated and slightly toasted. Pour in your soy sauce and any other desired seasonings, tossing to coat everything evenly. For the grand finale, return your cooked scrambled eggs to the pan. Add a generous amount of chopped green onions for a burst of freshness and vibrant color. Give everything a final quick toss to combine. Serve your homemade fried rice egg immediately while it's hot and fresh. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.